I want to take just a moment to explain to you how simple and easy it is to clean the Mini Aer. Just pull it out of the wall, turn it around, back that way you get open vents. You want to make sure you get all the dust off right here. Now you can use just a nice clean cleaning rag, wipe it off like that. You can take a vacuum cleaner, the bristles, suck it off. What you want to do is make sure that you get any dust and dirt out of here because you want the air to come in so that we can convert the air into a clean, fresh air, push that into your environment. On the front side, it's important to clean out this hole right here. To do that, just take a small Q-tip, dip the Q-tip in some isopropyl alcohol, some ammonia, or any type of natural clean. White vinegar would be a good one. Take and put it right in here. Just twirl it around. Make sure you keep it nice. What you want to do is keep that area open. You may get a little bit of clogging there, so just put the Q-tip in. Don't jam it in too deep and pop the Q-tip off of the machine. Just put it in there and just lightly turn it. Pop it out. Make sure it's dry. Give it dry. Take the machine, plug it back in, turn it on. And how often should you do that? We recommend cleaning this at least every 30 days of use. So give yourself a reminder, set a timer on your phone or app or something like this, and just remind yourself to clean the Mini because it's helping keep your air clean, keep it clean so it can help you.